Good morning, children. Next topic of our factorization chapter is division of polynomials. In this case, we have different types, that is division of monomials by monomials, division of polynomials by monomials, division of polynomials by polynomials. Monomial means only one term, binomial means two terms, and trinomial means three terms, and more than three terms we call it as polynomials. Okay, here first case is division of algebraic expression. First one is monomial by monomial. Okay, for example, 24 x y square z by 6y z cube. Okay, here numerator we have a term contains different variables and constant. Similarly, in the denominator also we have constants and variables. That is a monomial by another monomial. In this type of problem, what we do is we can cancel the common numbers. That is 24 and 6, which is the common factor. 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, 6 is a common factor, but we cancel with the highest common factor. So cancel like this, 6 4s are 24, here we get 4 in the numerator. Then y and y square cancel, then 1y lies in the numerator. Then z cube cancel with z1. Z square lies in the denominator. Then x in the numerator, but we have no x in the denominator. So what is the final answer? 4x y by z square. Okay. These terms remains after the cancellation. Another one is, did you understand this one? Monomial by monomial, we can cancel with the common terms, and if we have common variables, we can cancel it. Common numbers also we can cancel. Then you write the final answer. In the final answer, there is no common numbers or variables in numerator and denominator. Okay, then another one is case 2. Then polynomial by monomial. Monomial means only one term we have. Polynomial means two or more terms together called a polynomial. Okay, so another question, example 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y whole divided by 2y. Okay, here we have three terms. This is also called a trinomial. Okay, then polynomial by a monomial. Here we divide each term of the numerator with the monomial 2y. So we get 4y cube by 2y plus 5y square by 2y plus 6y by 2y. Then we can cancel the common numbers or common variables in numerator and denominator. Here 2 lies in the numerator. Then y cancel with y cube. There exists a y square in the numerator. So first term become 2y square plus, here y cancel with y square, then 1y lies in the numerator. Then numbers makes 5 and 2, no common factors. So 5 by 2y plus y and y cancel. 2 cancel with the 6, we get 3 in the numerator. So the answer is 2y square plus 5 by 2y plus 3. In this way, we divide a polynomial by a monomial. Okay. Another question, question number 3. 10y plus 25 divided by 5y. 10y plus 25 divided by 5y. What we do? Here 10y by 5y plus 25 by 5y. Okay. Here we can cancel this y and y. Then 5 cancel with the 10. 2 lies in the numerator. So the first term become 2. And here 5 and 25 cancel 5. So 5 divided by 5y. This is the final answer. Okay. Then the next one is a polynomial, that is the case 3, polynomial divided by a polynomial. Okay, polynomial divided by a polynomial. Okay, an example, 10y into 6y plus 21 by 5 into 2y plus 7. In some questions, if we take a common number from numerator, then only we can cancel, or then only we get the common factors in numerator and denominator. Here, look at this example, 10y into 6y plus 21. Here, 6y and 21, is there any common factors exist? 6y and 21. 3 is a common factor. So 10y, then you take the 3 outside, you get 2y, because 3 into 2y we get 6y, plus then take 3 from 21, what you get? 7. That is 7 3s are 21, divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. Okay, look at here. We have same factors in both numerator and denominator, then we can cancel like this. Then 5 cancel with this 10, we get 2. So 2y into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6y is the final answer. Here 2y plus 1 cancel, then 6y is the final answer. Okay. Another question. 26xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by 13x into y minus 4. Okay. Here 26xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4 by 13x into y minus 4. Here y minus 4 is common. We can directly cancel it. Then x and x cancel. 13 cancel with 2. Okay. So 2y remains here into x plus 5. This is the final answer. Okay. Then another question. Y square plus 7y plus 10 by y plus 5. Here we have a trinomial by a binomial. But we already discussed how we factorize this type of equation. Okay, by splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term means you select two numbers. How? Coefficient of y square is 1 and last term is 10. 10 into 1 is 10. Thus we get the first number. Then which is the middle term here? 7. If we have negative sign, you take that sign also. Okay. Then thus we have two numbers, both are positive. Then you choose two numbers whose product is 10 and sum should be 7. Can you say which are the two numbers whose product is 10 and sum is 7? You select which are the numbers. First you select which are the numbers gives the product 10. 5 2s are 10, then 1 10s are 10. We have two cases. In that collection, which number gives the sum 7? 5 and 2. Okay, 5 and 2. So, using these two numbers, you split the middle term 2y plus 5y or 5y plus 2y plus 10. Instead of 7y, what we write? 2y plus 5y. Okay, by y plus 5. Then pairing the numbers. This is the first pair and this is the second pair. So y square plus 2y, y common, so y plus 2 plus 5 common, y plus 2. Okay, whole divided by y plus 5. That is y plus 2 is a common factor here. So in the next step you can take that y plus 2 outside. Y remains here. Then you put this sign plus 5 by y plus 5. Here y plus 5 and y plus 5 cancel. So what is the final answer? Y plus 2 is the final answer. Okay. We split the numerator like y plus 2 and y plus 5. Then we can cancel with the denominator and the final answer is y plus 2. Okay. Another question. M square minus 14m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. Okay. Same as the previous one. But first we find out the factors of the numerator. That is m square minus 14m minus 32. So coefficient of m square is 1 and the constant term or last term is minus 32. Take its product, that is 1 into minus 32. The answer is minus 32. Then middle term is minus 40. Okay. You choose two numbers whose product is minus 32 and sum should be minus 14. Can you say which are the two numbers? First you find out the numbers gives the product 32. You know that it is 8 4s are 32, then 16 2s are 32. So here it is clear from this that product should be negative. So one number in this should be negative. So then 1 and 32. Then these are the numbers, and from this collection which are the two numbers gives the sum minus 14. Sum should be minus 14 means one number is positive and another one is negative. Then only we get the answer a negative number. That means to add a negative number and a positive number, what we do? We take the difference and put the sign of the greatest number. So one number should be positive and another number should be negative. But the sign of the answer is negative. That means the greatest number become a negative number. So look at here. If you take this minus 16 and plus 2, then what is its product? Minus 32 and sum is minus 14. Okay. So using these two numbers, you split the middle term minus 14m. That is, instead of this minus 14m, what we write? Minus 16m plus 2m. So what you get? M square minus 16m. Sign is very important because minus 16 and plus 2m gives the answer minus 14m plus 2m minus 32 is equal to, then pairing the numbers. Here m and 16m, m square and 16m, m is a common factor. So m into m minus 8. M into m square, sorry 16, m into minus 16 minus 16, then plus 2 is a common factor, 2 into m minus 16. So m minus 16 is a common factor. Take it outside. M minus 16 into m, put the sign, 2 remains. So what you get? M minus 16 into m plus 2. Here we have divided by m plus 2 in the numerator. Divided by m plus 2. Here also we have m plus 2. So cancel that m plus 2 with the numerator. So what is the final answer? M minus 16. Okay. So if we have common factors, we can cancel and we get the final answer as m minus 16. Hope you understood this. At the time of multiplying negatives, you put the sign correctly. Otherwise, you didn't get the common factors. Okay. Another question, 5pq into p square minus q square by 2p into p plus q. Okay. Here in the numerator we can apply an identity. Which is that identity? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We can apply that identity and here we get 5pq into p square minus q square means p plus q into p minus q whole divided by 2p into p plus q. Thus p plus q is a common factor, so we can cancel it. Then 1p cancel from both numerator and denominator. Then 5 and 2. No common numbers exist. Then 1q here remains. So what is the final answer? 5q into p minus q whole divided by 2. 2 remains here. So this is the final answer, 5q into p minus q by 2. Okay. Hope you understood all these. These are the different cases in the topic division of algebraic expression. That which are they? Monomial by monomial, then polynomial by monomial, and the last one is polynomial by another polynomial. In this case we can factorize the numerator and denominator separately. If we have this type of equation in the numerator also, we can factorize it. Then check is there any common factors, then you can cancel it. Here we have expression only in the numerator. In the denominator we have single factors, so we can directly cancel it. So hope you understood all these type. Thank you.